विश्वास, कोशिश और सहयोग, इन 3 स्तंभों पर आज खड़ा है उका तरसाड़िया यूनिवर्सिटी का कुटुंब। एक ऐसा कुटुंब जिसे बुना गया है ज्ञान और कौशल के मेशलोम से। यहाँ लालसा केवल ज्ञान प्रदान करने की नहीं, यहाँ लालसा है ज्ञान बांटने और बढ़ाने की। यहाँ लालसा है निर्माण और प्रसार के साधन से समाज के लिए कुछ कर दिखाने की।
ભણતર સાથે ગણતર ક્યાં મળે છે? મળે છે ને આ ઉકાના ધામે ને તરસાડી ગામે। ઉકા તરસાડિયા તમને વિકાસ ક્યાં આપે છે? આપે છે તમને સર્વાંગી વિકાસ, તમારા તર્ક વિતર્ક અને સ્વપ્નાઓને ઉડવા માટે આકાશ। આ આકાશમાં ઉડવા માટે સહકારની પાંખો અને ગુણવંત શિક્ષણનો હોંસલો।
Comprising of 16 institutes, Uka Tarsadia University offers a wide range of selection in the finest courses of education.
Uka Tarsadia University embarks on its journey with establishment of Maliba Pharmacy College. It ranked by NIRF in top 100 pharmacy colleges. Maliba Pharmacy College house cutting edge in laboratories and instrumental facilities.
At Haribhakta Institute of PharmD, we are not only inculcated with academic knowledge but also with extensive hands-on clinical skills.
Biology is the essence of the world, and as we utilize it, it gives rise to technology. At Uka Tarsadia University, we encourage you to seek purpose and illuminate through science.
Srimad Rajchandra Institute of Management and Computer Applications instills the qualities of teamwork, leadership and networking through interactive sessions and individual learning.
शिक्षा में रचनात्मकता उतनी ही महत्वपूर्ण है जितनी साक्षरता है। इन विभागों का मिलन होता है UTU में। हम अवसर लाए हैं कई प्रकार के अनुभवों का लुत्फ उठाने का। हम लाए हैं आपके लिए डांस क्लब, म्यूजिक क्लब, लिटरेचर क्लब, मीडिया एंड प्रेस क्लब और ऐसे ही कई अन्य प्रकार के क्लब। UTU आइए, कामयाबी की ओर बढ़िए।
Mass media and journalism provide students with the expertise to create the link between the individual and the demands of progressing society.
The science of psychology decodes the human behavior and helps us understand the working of our society. The solution to every problem lies in discerning the human brain.
Medicine, law, business, engineering, these are noble pursuits and necessary for life's sustaining. But literature, poetry and the arts are what we stay alive for.
Chotubai Gopalbhai Patel Institute of Technology equips students with all the necessary tools to forge the ultimate engineering solutions.
With one of a kind iOS lab in South Gujarat region, UTU offers exclusive opportunities to students. BMIT nurtures creativity and innovation by involving students in various tech fests and workshops, which keep them updated about the latest trends in technologies.
Students of B.V. Patel Institute of Management are edified to climb the ladder of entrepreneurship and diplomacy.
The B.V. Patel Institute of Commerce primes students to excel in the dynamic commercial
Department of Applied Science, where students are motivated to become independent researchers while working in 3 major streams: chemistry, physics and mathematics.
At Srimad Rajchandra College of Physiotherapy, we aim to combine passion and knowledge to recover, reform and rehabilitate.
With more than 50 MOUs, 500 recruiters and 100% placement on campus, the UTU secures your future.
कहाँ से कौन आया खबर नहीं, संग अपनी कौन सी संस्कृति लाया खबर नहीं, मेल मन का हुआ, गैर कौन रहा खबर नहीं।
यहाँ का हर सवेरा अपने संग एक नया सुयोग लाता है और यहाँ की हर शाम अपने संग कई नई यादें ले ढल जाती है।
परंपरा, प्रतिष्ठा और अनुशासन, जी नहीं, ये आपको यहाँ नहीं मिलेंगे, पर सुकून का शोर, खट्टी मीठी यादें और जान न्यौछावर करने वाले दोस्त, ये सब आपको ज़रूर मिलेंगे।
What does UTU mean to you?
UTU is the choice my future self will thank me for.
A place where I can be my most authentic self.
It is a brand that sets us apart from everybody else.
Many hearts, one community.
सफलता की सीढ़ियाँ चढ़ने का अवसर है UTU।
एक आईना, एक ऐसा आईना जो हमारी योग्यता दर्शाता है, ये है हमारा UTU।
समर्पण का समुदाय है ये हमारा UTU।
સરસ્વતીની ભૂખ અને વિદ્યાનો દરિયો છે UTU.
કોઈકના માટે મહત્વાકાંક્ષા તો કોઈકના માટે મજાનું UTU.
સપના જોવા માટે મળતી આંખો, આ દુનિયા કેટલી ઝડપથી ભાગે છે, આ મળતી ઝડપ એ છે UTU. કોઈક માટે વિદ્યાનો પરમાનંદ, તો મારા માટે આનંદ છે UTU.